You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hey guys, I got a big haul. I got 2 orders in from Couture, and so I got a lot more stuff and I got a lot more transfers that are really fun and I want to show you. So I'm going to be doing this live here on Facebook, and then I'm going to edit it and upload it to YouTube. And I'm going to do a project. All right, I got laundry. I thought maybe I would put this up on the wall above my washer and dryer. And for those of you who don't know what Couture is, that's what these are, like screen printing transfers. So they're not like vinyl transfers. And I'll show you that more closely when I open a few of them up, because there are some amazing ones. So this one's kind of boring and it's big. And I'm going to put it on my wall. It's temporary. You can make it permanent if you want. And they also have inks, and you can put on the shirt, iron it on a shirt. So I have some ideas for that too. I will show you some things I'm going to do. So there's Hello. If you watch Ken Hess, he did this one with the boho flowers, which I got that one too. And I'll show you. I'm going to put that one on my kitchen cabinet. It's going to be awesome. If you have any questions on anything, please ask in the comments and I'll be sure to answer. Be your own kind of beautiful. I used to live in a salon. Wait a minute. Did I just say I used to live in a salon? Let's slow that down. Oh, I used to live in a salon? Yes, I did. But let's get this straight. I did not live in a salon. I worked in a salon. We had this up on the wall in the salon. So this is awesome. She leaves a little sparkle everywhere she goes. I cannot wait to do this one. You can even add glitter to this after you pull the transfer off. You can add glitter and it'll be so pretty. This is the one I'm going to do today. She believed she could, so she did. If you guys go to my Facebook page every day, I've been putting some inspirational thing. And this is totally true. If you believe you can, you can. And you can take the S off and do, he believed he could, so he did. And if you guys want 40% off of this, you can join my team. I am in Ken Hess's team. So you'll be on both our teams and get help from both of us for this stuff. And you save 40%. This one for St. Patrick's Day. Who needs luck when you've got this much charm? Not just for St. Patrick's Day. You can have this anytime. So I will be doing a transfer and showing you what this is all about too, if you have no idea. Today is a good day for a good day. Every day is a good day for a good day. I want to put this on my bathroom mirror. My bathroom has like a private toilet and shower area, and there's like a wall right in front of the toilet, so you sit there and look at a wall. I was thinking I could put it right there like in front of my toilet, so when I'm sitting there, it's right in front of me. So I remember, because you know, you go to the bathroom more than once a day, that every day is a good day, and I'm gonna have a good day every day. This I got in my kit. I already have this one, but I placed this order before I got my kit. This is actually 2 orders. There's one of them I have 2 of now, because I placed one in each order because I wanted to make sure I got it, because it is so incredibly cute, and you're gonna see little bunnies all over my house. So this one I'm gonna use with the ink, the Couture ink, and make a shirt that says established 1971, the year I was born, right? Like a lot of people do the time they got married or when they bought their house. I was established in 1971. So that's what's going on my shirt. And there's a link at the top to join my team. There's a store where if you just want to buy a few things and you don't want to join, or you can join and get the starter kit. It's only $99 and you get $230 worth of product. For starting out, they give you a 50% off coupon. And I went a little crazy. And then this one is awesome. And you don't have to use these all together. You can split up the words. You can do whatever you want with these. You can cut them apart. So I love the little arrows on here too. And it says, grow old along with me. The best is yet to be. Robert Browning. Isn't that awesome? You can put this stuff on your walls. You can put it on your shirts. You can put it on your cabinets. And these are reusable. You can use them, they say, I think 10 to 12 times, but some people have used them 15 to 20 times. If you really take care of them. This is feathers. What's this one called actually? Tribal feathers. And I can't wait to do this one. I want to like put this like in rainbow colors, or just do different. I just want to play and make things. And the good thing is I can just play and wipe it away. You can't wipe it with your fingers. It only comes off with water. So if I spray it with water, it goes away. Here is a good one too. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Something wonderful is about to happen. I am going to put stuff on my black and white cabinets in my craft room too. You can put right on there, and when I want to change it, I can. And on my French doors, it goes great on windows. Okay, that's not all. There's a lot more. Be humble and kind. I got this one mostly for this, and then I saw that they have this, the honeycomb, in a whole big sheet. So I ordered that on my next order that's coming. Be humble and kind. Be happy. I love this. That says be happy. Hive rules, queen bee, and it has a little crown. Oh, I would totally put, this is backwards for me, I would totally put this little crown on the bee. This one, I love this one, the anchor, and see how they're distressed? You can't even put this stuff on cardstock and make it into cards. I have a great idea for cards. And Cricut has chalkboard vinyl. It works on that. I decorated my Cricut with it. This one, if you worked in a salon, this would be amazing. I got this one because I want to put on my mirror. This is backwards. You look amazing. So I pretty much bought it for that. Okay, this one has two. Oops, upside down. You can make drinks. Okay, so maybe I'll invite people over to make drinks, and that's all they'll think we're doing is making drinks, and we'll make these. So this is awesome because I love that it has ice cubes and all of this stuff in it. Look at all the things in to make drinks. And then it has all these words. You can make little signs. You can make a chalkboard menu. Got more glasses, more, oops, the screen is backwards. So you can layer these things. So you can put whatever color you want in the glass, put the fruit in the glass. Look at the bunnies. Okay, I'm gonna have little bunnies coming out of my drawers, in my kitchen, on my wall, on my doors, on my glass doors. I have so many ideas for these bunnies, and they're not all gonna be white. I can make some like cream color, and like this one's sand. I think I'm gonna use one in that one. And I have chocolate paste coming. I don't have it yet. That's in my next order. These bunnies are awesome because it has so many more things to go with it. Okay, oh, these smell so good. So you got these bunnies. And then this bunny, whoops, this is backwards to me. This bunny is like holding something. And you have these that go inside like the ears, like you can put pink, so you can layer them. And they're numbered too. So like this one has number 3. So this one also has number 3. So this one goes on top of that one. So you don't have to figure it out and see what fits. And you can tell that goes with that. And look, it's raining. Love this. Okay, and then look at the other one. You can make an umbrella. And then here's the thing for the umbrella. A balloon. This would be great for even birthdays and stuff. And then here's a little string for the balloon. And you can make that little guy hold it. And then you have this bucket. And then you can put these on it. And these are tulips that you can have coming out of the bucket. Or just on the bottom of, like I'm going to put them on the bottom of my glass French doors going out to the lanai. Or you can make carrots coming out of the bucket, or Easter eggs. Isn't that cute? You can use them more than once, like at least 10 times. Now, I bought this one to make a shirt for my son. He's coming here like on the 1st, and I told him to bring a plain colored shirt, or we'll have to get him one or something. So I can make this with the Couture ink, and we heat press it with the Easy Press, and it makes it permanent. And you don't feel like the vinyl on it. It's like part of the shirt. It's amazing. But I really think he would love this. I love this one. In my next order, I ordered 3 more. Because I got the 50% off coupon. And I think my mom would want one. I have to introduce this stuff to my mom because she can totally do it. She says she's not crafty, but anybody can do this. Kids are doing it. So it says, be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. And then you get extra pineapples too. Isn't that awesome? You can buy them or you can join my Chalk Couture team and you get 40% off. It's such a generous company. You get so much more. If you decide you want to sell it, you don't have to sell it, but you get a store to sell it, you get 25% commission from what people buy from your store. But many people are joining just to get the discount. And this one is, what is this one? This one is Spring Flowers. I have one that's like this. It's blossom, something. I can't remember. But it's a lot like this. This one has just a few different sizes. Flowers, and you can layer the flowers. That's what this is for. Like, you can do these, and then you can put the centers in the flowers too. And then you can layer the leaves. You can put this in the center of a flower and this in the center of a flower. And then I got these letters. These are Harmons Slab Inline Font. And I'll open these up because, you know, you get a lot more than what you see here. Anything you make with these you can sell. You have permission to sell it. These smell so good. Okay. There's the top one. Oh, and it has the word then and. I didn't even see that. That's awesome. And a dollar sign. And then the numbers in 2 sizes. Oh, and it has the percent sign and all of these. See that? So this one doesn't have the smaller letters. Some of them, the other set I have, comes in capitals and small letters. This one is amazing. I'm going to put this one on my cabinet. And I love this arrow. And I think I'm going to put these around my kitchen on my cabinet. I have white cabinets. So I think they'll be really cool. You get this in your kit and it has a 50-year warranty. Okay, this is going to be hard to... You have to like defuzz it so it doesn't stick to the board too much. So I'm just going to do like what I do to the Cricut mats and just put it up to my t-shirt. So these are so easy. Let me show you how this is. So I don't know if you can see this, but there is a screen there. It's not open. It's a silk screen. And they have adhesive on the back. And I'm defuzzing it by putting it on my shirt. So when I pull it off the chalkboard, it will pull off much easier. And you just wash these. You can rinse a little water on it and wash it with disinfectant wipes. Make sure it's all smooth. So you stir this up until it's like a yogurt consistency. You can make the chalk permanent by spraying like a clear Krylon spray over it. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix up the colors I'm gonna use. I'm gonna do the she could sew she all in white, and then the believed and did. I'm gonna mix those colors. I'm gonna try the Thai teal. So I'm gonna do the Thai teal and mix it with, I'm gonna put a little water in this. These are water-based. So if you want them a little runnier, you can add a little water. Okay, and then you get these little squeegee things. I can't wait to pull this off and see what it looks like. If I hate it, I can just wipe it off. That's the good thing about this. I've never mixed these. I've never used this color or the purple, or actually these 3 colors I have not used. So I'm really not sure how it's going to turn out. But we'll find out, won't we? Okay, now this color. I'm going to make this a little wetter. Now, what you scrape off of these, you can put back in the jar. But I will not be able to do that with mixing these 3 colors. Because I'm mixing them like this, I can't save it into the original jars. But I have some empty jars, so I will be able to save it. I have no idea what color it will be when I do save it. Okay, first, I'm going to use this white and make sure I get it all covered. I'm not scraping it off yet. I just want to make sure it's all covered. And I don't want to get that other color in here. So I just want to make sure that's all covered. And right there, this little spot. Okay, I'm just going to leave that there for now. And I'm going to go over this one. Oh, there's a little white I missed. Yeah, you guys, I used a lot of paste. You do not need to use this much paste. And then you can save it. So now I'm scraping it off and I'm gonna put it in a jar. I'm just gonna put it in with this one. I have some blue in here. If I mix enough colors, maybe I'll have my brown color I want. Now see, I think some of that has dried a little, so I'm gonna wet it a little. Because if it dries before you lift it up, the paste will come with it. You don't want that. Now let's get the white. And I'm gonna put the white back in the white jar. Okay, what do you guys think? Do you like it? No, if you sign up, it's $99 and you get the starter kit, which is a $230 value. So you're already getting 50% off that. And then after you sign up, you get 40% off of all the transfers, the paste, the ink, the squeegees, the frames. I have a huge frame coming, the Ava Teal. I think it's like 26 by 30. I used my 50% off coupon they gave me. And I'm going to put that across from my gratitude wall. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to put on it, but I have the perfect place for it. So I ordered it and that is beautiful. I was so impressed with this company. No other company, direct sales company like this gives you 40% discount or 25% commission. I'm thinking, what do you guys think? I think I should have done these in the opposite. I think maybe I should have done Believed Did in white and do the rest in the colors. So those stand out more. But I could erase it and do it again because it's fun. Thanks guys so much. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video.